Welcome to the world of Kinemaster, where we bring you the latest in video editing technology. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our latest product, the Kinemaster Pro. The Kinemaster Pro is designed for users of all skill levels, making it the perfect choice for those who want to take their video editing to the next level. What's new in Kinemaster Pro? 1. Easy to use. Our new interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The intuitive controls make it easy to navigate and edit your videos with minimal training. 2. Advanced. The Kinemaster Pro offers advanced features that make video editing a breeze. With a powerful library of filters, effects, and transitions, you can easily create professional-looking videos that will leave your audience in awe. 3. How to use. Our tutorial videos are designed to guide you through the basics of using the Kinemaster Pro. With step-by-step instructions and clear visuals, you'll be able to edit your videos in no time. 4. Introduce yourself. In today's fast-paced world, it's important to make a first impression. The Kinemaster Pro allows you to add a professional introduction to your videos, making it the perfect tool for self-promotion. 5. Customizable. The Kinemaster Pro offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to create a video that reflects your unique style and personality. 6. Compatibility. The Kinemaster Pro is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and cameras. With its advanced technology, you can edit your videos on the go, making it the perfect tool for on-the-job editing. 7. Professional results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, the Kinemaster Pro delivers professional quality results. With its advanced technology, you can easily create stunning videos that will leave a lasting impression. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features of the Kinemaster Pro, including its easy-to-use interface, advanced features, and how to use the product. We'll also show you how to customize your videos to make them truly unique. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your video editing skills with the Kinemaster Pro today and unleash your creativity. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your videos to new heights. Thank you for joining us, and happy editing!